Okay guys, I'm here in a home. The customer called me that the unit is not working good. When I came here, I saw the blower motor. It's not running. This is a X13 permanent torque Ecm motor. So I put the thermostat right here. It's a, thermostat. I put the fan on to see what's going on. So I gotta check it out between common and green. Suppose have the signal is gonna be 28, 27 volt. If you the thermostat, they say 27. So it's possible the module right here is bad. Okay guys, I am lucky. I have a spare brand new module on my truck, the same as the unit uses. This is a half a horsepower, 230 VAC volt. So this is the module for the motor. So let's see what happened. So other thing is, if you see I read 27.8 volt AC to see if the signal from the thermostat I have in the plug. So the signal is okay, it's right here. I take my measurement right here between common and green. Green is the signal who coming to turn it on the blower motor. And I check, double check right here direct in the plug to see if no any interruption between, okay? Okay guys, I try another thing. I clean it out the plug because it's fully dirty. I'm cleaning it up with this detergent and try again, but it definitely doesn't work. So I will to proceed to replace the module. Okay, this is the new one. It's so difficult to try to record video and use the phone in my hands. So I'm gonna plug right here. See, right, presto. Right. Right there. Okay, let's go back to put the screw right here. Ready. Okay guys, and ready, plugging, everything is plugging, everything is good. Let's tune it on the breaker. Let's wait for the delay. Let's see. It's gonna start it. Voila! Woohoo! It's running good. It's running good. Let's see the amperage. The amperage is 1.6 amp. So it's running good. Another happy customer.